Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL, and today is day 44 of solving 100 questions on SQL. And the question we are going to solve today is spam posts, and this question got asked in Meta. So let's quickly see what is the question. So the question is, we have to calculate the percentage of spam post in all viewed posts by day. A post is considered a spam post if the string spam is inside keywords of the post. Note that the Facebook post table stores all posts posted by users, and the Facebook post views table is an action table denoting if a user has viewed a post. Okay, so we have two tables given here. One is Facebook post and second is Facebook post views. In Facebook post, we have all the posts done by the user, and in Facebook post views, we have the information which post got got viewed by some another user. Okay. So out of all the viewed posts, we have to find out the percentage of spam post. Okay, and we have to calculate it on a day basis. Okay, so this is the question that we have to solve. So let's quickly see the table so that we can understand better. So we have this table, Facebook post, where we have post ID, poster, post text, and post keywords here. Okay, and the post date. So in post keywords, if you see, there are several keywords present, and a post is a spam post if spam is present in the keyword section. Okay, like these two posts are spam post. So this is what we have in the Facebook post table. Now let's see the Facebook post views table. In this table, we have the information regarding post ID and the viewer ID, like which post got viewed and what is the viewer ID we have present here. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to join these two tables so that we can get information regarding only viewed post. Okay, the post that got viewed, because on that we have to find out the percentage of spam post. Okay, so let's do this. So first of all, we are going to join. So let's name this as FP, joined Facebook post views. Let's name this as FPV on FP dot post ID is equal to FPV dot post ID. Okay, from here we will take post date. Then we can take post keywords. Okay, so now we have this information. We have all the posts that got viewed, and it on the date it got posted, and what are the keywords present in it. Okay, so this post got posted on this date, and these are the keywords present in it. We do not have to worry about the post description because we are not going to use that. So I'm only taking these two columns, that is post date and post keyword. Okay, now we have to identify out of these posts which post is a spam post and which is not a spam post. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a case statement. I'm going to write down case when post keywords like this and it contains spam. So if the keyword contains spam, then it is going to be a spam post. And if it is a spam post, I'm going to put 1 there. Otherwise, else 0. And end as spam post. Let's run this. Okay, so see, in this keyword list, we do not have any spam keyword. So the spam post value is 0. Here we have spam present in the keyword list. So the spam post value is 1. Okay, so now we can identify which is a spam post and which is not a spam post. Now, next, what we have to do on the date basis, okay, we have to identify the percentage of spam post out of all the posts. So for example, on this date, there are how many posts? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 posts. And out of 6 posts, how many are spam posts? So 1, 2, 3, 3 are spam posts. So around 50% of the posts are spam. So how we are going to identify? So we have 6 posts. So if we are going to count So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count is going to be 6. And if we are going to sum the values, it is going to be 3. And 3 divided like by 6, if we are going to calculate the percentage, it is going to be 50%. So this is how we are going to calculate. And we have to do it on the date basis. Okay, similarly, we are going to do it for another dates as well. So here we do not need post keyword because now we know on a daily which post is a spam post and which post is not a spam post because we have given this value here. Okay, so we do not need post keyword. So I'm going to remove this. Okay, and I'm going to do what? I'm going to do group by on post date because we have to find out for all unique dates the percentage of a spam post. So I'm going to do group by on post date. And what we have to find? We have to find out, we first have to do sum because we have to divide. For example, if there are 6 posts and 3 posts are the spam post, so we have to divide 3 by 6. So first we have to do sum of all the spam posts. Okay. Sum of all the spam posts, then multiply it by 100 and then divide it by total number of posts on that day. Okay, let's name this as spam percentage. Okay, now let's run this. L0 end. Post date, we're getting some error. So let's see. Okay, so it was the keyword name error. So yeah, so what we are getting 2 date values, okay, because we group by on date. So we are getting unique dates. So this is first date and this is second date. And here we are getting 50% of the post are spam. Here 100% of the post are spam. That is all post with the spam post. And we saw it for this date as well that we were getting 50%. So this is how we have solved this problem. Okay. And so yeah, this is it. This is the solution. So how we solved it? So first of all, we find out all those posts that got viewed because we have to do calculation on the viewed post. We did that by joining those two tables so that we can get all the records of viewed post. And then we identify which post is a spam post and we give this a number 1 and 0. If the post is a spam post, the number is 1. If the post is not a spam post, the value was 0. And then we did the calculation using sum of all the spam posts divided by total number of posts and we find out the percentage. Okay. And we did the group by on post date because we had to do the calculation for unique dates. So this is how we have solved this problem. Now let's see the expected output. So expected output is also matching. Now let's try to submit our solution. And yeah, our solution got submitted. So this is all about this question. If you have any problem, you can ask in the comment section. If you have more solution to this problem, you can put that too in the comment section. Hope you like this video. If you like it, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.